sneakers not only have an unusual shape, but they were also made in a very special way. The entire shoe is 3D printed and made of a special polymer called TPE, which combines flexibility, tensile strength, and elasticity. The material can withstand temperatures of up to 219.2 degrees Fahrenheit, and the elements can be as little as 0.04 inches thick. The creators of these sneakers, German architect and designer Stefan Henrich, points out that the unusual shape of the sole was chosen for a reason. The name of the shoe, cryptid, refers to extinct or mythical creatures. And if you walk on the ground in these shoes, you can leave footprints like Bigfoot's. So, don't be frightened if you see such footprints. Augmented reality interfaces used in the game industry are still far from ideal. But for cars and other equipment, a system that displays a lot of useful data on the windshield is already available. According to the developers, the system can be customized to the needs of each user. For example, racers would be interested in seeing the optimal trajectory for entering a turn, while ordinary drivers will enjoy the traffic light's timing system. The display can also be put in water and air vehicles. Moreover, this technology can also be integrated into buildings, so that you can quickly find out the weather forecast or other data just by looking out the window. The project team works with the latest solutions in optics, holography, and chemistry, and also develops the necessary software itself. Why use a computer mouse or a touchpad if we are born with the most advanced pointing device, i.e. our fingers? Driven by this question, experts from Switzerland have created a unique ring that allows you to control the cursor, scroll through pages, and perform other familiar operations on the screen with the movements of your fingers. The ring doesn't require additional apps. It works via Bluetooth and is so well protected against moisture that it can withstand hand or dishwashing. The battery lasts for 24 hours, and the device is suitable for both right and left-handed people. However, the authors of the project note that the working surface must be more or less solid and monochrome, otherwise there can be errors. The creators of this exoskeleton believe that with it, you can run effortlessly on all types of terrain. It was created in Japan. The device helps reduce stress on the joints and the waist, and also absorbs some of the shock load inherent in running. The manufacturer specializes in similar products. For example, sometime before, they created an exoskeleton that allows a person to lift 220.5 pounds to a height of up to 6.6 feet. And this model is an auxiliary option, suitable for delivery workers or mail carriers. In modern cities, in spite of being digital and filled with technology, it is sometimes difficult to find quality drinking water. This generator, which provides up to 2.5 gallons per day, will give us access to clean, tasty, and mineral-rich water. A key feature of the generator is the ability to draw water directly from the air. In doing so, the water will have an optimal pH index, as well as contain magnesium, calcium, and other elements beneficial for the human body. Want youthful-looking skin? Drink more water, say the creators of the generator. The purity of the liquid is guaranteed by the built-in UV sterilizer, and at the same time, the device will clean the air in the room, collecting harmful substances in special filters and ensuring an optimal humidity level. How can a computer keyboard be improved? The answer is on your screen. This is how specialists from Latvia see the future of this accessory. Depending on the model, the keyboard of the future offers from 24 to 29 programmable keys, a joystick, and a special 5-position switch. The design allows you to flexibly adjust the keyboard to suit the palm of your hand. To do this, you'll need a special screwdriver that comes with the device. The device weighs 2.5 pounds and is powered by USB. The internal memory is enough to save several control profiles. Right-handed and left-handed versions are also available. The developers claim that they've managed to combine the advantages of a classic keyboard and a gamepad in one gadget. So we have a question for gamers. Do you think that this gadget will be convenient to use? The world's first full-size drone with 2 arms is offered by a team of specialists from Japan. The drone weighs 44 pounds and can hold objects weighing up to 22 pounds in its arms. Its maximum flight speed is 37 miles per hour, which, for example, allows to quickly deliver a life ring to a drowning person. The drone can fly for 30 minutes on a single charge. It's capable of working in any weather and can climb to an altitude of up to 3.1 miles. The manufacturer is confident that this development will help keep people safe in a variety of scenarios, for example, when working at high altitudes or with dangerous loads. Want to turn a 45-minute commute into a 10-minute flight? This might soon become a reality, thanks to this air cab. The 5-seater is equipped with powerful engines, allowing it to take off and land vertically. The pilot can control the air cab by himself, or entrust this process to the autopilot. There are several versions with different ranges, from 60 to 150 miles. The company is confident that these vehicles will be useful for carrying both passengers and cargo, and in the future will be integrated into urban air mobility systems. And they will save time, which is the most important resource for most people. This panel made in the US allows you to see and touch various virtual objects. The technology is based on ultrasonic waves, thanks to which the tactile sensations are formed at a height of up to 3 feet above the device and 120 degrees around it. The panel is made of polycarbonate, weighs 5.7 pounds, and is pleasantly compact. It's about the size of a 13-inch laptop. Thanks to these special apps, you can build a network of 7 devices and interact with other people by shaking hands or playing games. Tactile sensations are interesting, but sitting in an armchair or on a sofa is clearly not good for quality immersion in the virtual world. The creators of these boots want you to walk through the digital reality with your own feet. The device is made of carbon fiber, and the boots can be used on top of your usual shoes. Thanks to the special rollers, the user walks through the virtual world, remaining in place in the real world, which allows using the boots in small rooms. At the same time, they provide reliable support without turning into roller skates. There's also a technology that prevents motion sickness. According to the creators, their development will help when working with large virtual environments, because today, digitized objects can reach hundreds of thousands of square feet in size. The creators of this power source believe that your home is your castle, and it's worth protecting. According to them, nowadays there are more and more cases of mass power outages, so having a backup battery wouldn't do any harm. The capacity of the device is 6.9 kilowatt hours, which is one of the best indicators in the home power supply market. With this capacity, you can charge your smartphone 460 times, keep your fridge running for about 7 hours, or watch TV for almost 63 hours. Each unit is equipped with 19 different ports for all occasions, from USB ports to electric car outlets. Additionally, there are 2 wireless panels for charging smartphones, and the state-of-the-art technology helps charge the battery to 100% in just 2.5 hours. This unusual Chinese robot will help to transport various goods and entertain visitors to supermarkets, restaurants, and trade shows at the same time. It can carry up to 88.2 pounds, and it weighs 121.3 pounds. The maximum runtime on a single charge is 24 hours. A distinctive feature of the robot is the cutting-edge scanning system. Thanks to it, the robot sees obstacles from 0.07 feet high and scans the surroundings at a rate of 5,400 times per minute. Therefore, it's able to notice an obstacle at a distance of up to 32.8 feet and safely avoid it. Its cute design and extensive interaction capabilities are also worth noting. The robot understands voice commands and squeals if you pet it. At the moment, the developers are raising $200,000 on Kickstarter. Would you support this project? Tell us in the comments. A revolution in hair dyeing from French specialists. Now, you don't even need to leave home for this procedure. The device is really easy to use. Simply choose the shade you want in a special app and wait until the dye is ready. Then you should gently run it through your hair and the coloring is complete. The only thing you should do is wait for about half an hour and then wash off the rest of the dye. The special brush makes up to 300 movements per minute, which guarantees even coloring from roots to ends. Interchangeable cartridges allow you to save your favorite color variations. 40 different shades are available in the app. Sales are scheduled to start in 2023.